working downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out, it's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say. It's easier said than done. That guy problems with everyone, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. My name is Gery and today I'm doing another come shopping with me video. And today I want to take you along with me to Mango to have a look at their new in collection for spring summer. I have really high hopes because Mango is one of these super nice, good quality but also affordable stores. Usually Mango's price range is a little bit higher than Zara and H&M, so I'm really curious to see what they have to offer for this season. But I also wanted to do a little bit more lifestyle content and to include like a day in my life segment in this video. I hope that all of this will be very interesting for you to see. So now first let's go to the mall.
You wanna be somebody, want us to believe that you're somebody to see, searching for a feeling, and you would give up anything just to show us you had it. All she wanna do is talk fashion, make a couple mil off passion, house on a hill, live lavish, rolling with my hitters on the west side.
And first, I absolutely fell in love with this beautiful cropped jacket in size S. I love this color and all these beautiful details. I think it looks so chic and put together. Probably the coolest jacket I've seen recently, and I highly recommend it if you're looking for something like this. I think it's just such a cool and different, perfect for a season outerwear piece. It's made very nicely and I think it looks more expensive and high-end brand than it actually is. Next we have a pair of cream baggy pants in size European 34 or US 2. I liked very much the pleated details in the front that give more shape and structure to the entire look, and I think they elevate any basic piece. These pants were also super soft and comfortable, and the material was very lightweight and breathable, and it will be perfect for summer. Here's a very feminine top with these gorgeous statement puffy sleeves. I like the delicate flower print that brings so much color to the look, and the fit and the elasticated waistband were very beautiful and flattering. This cute dress I also saw in white color, which now I think I prefer. The perfect easy summer dress to throw on with a pair of sandals or even sneakers. It had the gorgeous big sleeves and the laser cut details on the bottom. It was a little bit big on me and I look like I'm drawing in it in size S, but you can easily just add a bow to cinch it in the waist and it will give it a lot more shape and definition. Lastly, I wanted to show you this stunning cardigan, very well made cable knit with metallic thread and the most beautiful buttons. It looks beigey here, but in person it's very beautiful soft baby pink, and this one will look so nice with white or neutral looks underneath. And I love wearing a cardigan like this as my cute outerwear, especially when it's colder at night.
She's got the phone call twisted around her
So we are back now from the mall. It's pretty late in the afternoon. It's almost 3:30. It was such a long trip to the mall, but we had a lot of things to do. We went to so many different stores as you probably saw, but it was actually really fun to do. We haven't done something like this in many months. But I also bought my brother a present for his birthday on Saturday, and I'm really happy that I found the things that I want to get for him. So I got him this card game, and I also got him a hat. He will be 13 years old, by the way, but along with the game I got him this black hat because he loves hats like this, wears them so much, and I think this one is super pretty and also the quality feels really nice. It comes in different colors, and in white I think it looked amazing, and honestly I would get myself a hat like this in white because I think it will look so nice, so cute with white sneakers. But I also got a surprise gift here. I will just show you, because tomorrow is Saint George here in Bulgaria, in Eastern Europe, and I have a name day tomorrow. And here, if you have the name of the saint whose day it is, you pretty much have like a second birthday. You get presents and you get to celebrate, and name days are pretty huge right here. I love them so much. And this is a surprise gift from my husband. So cute, because while I was trying on clothes in Mango, he ran to buy me a bag, and it's a white backpack just because I have one that I wore to death, and in summer a white backpack is a go-to bag for me because it's very easy and it's very wearable for me. And the one that he got me is fantastic. It's from this brand Mohito. Actually, I love this brand. It's very similar to Zara and H&M. But here it is, the beautiful backpack. I don't know if you can see, but it has this faux croc detailing, and it's all white. It's absolutely beautiful. It's perfect for summer for me. It comes with one big compartment right here, and this front pocket, which is so useful for me. Here I always keep my keys and now my masks. But for summer, this is definitely my everyday bag. Again, it will look so nice with white sneakers, and honestly in the summer season my color palette is super bright and I wear white so much. I don't know why, I just feel so nice in white clothes. It also has really pretty zipper details, and these knots right here are a very nice touch. It's nice and sturdy, and most importantly, it was a very kind gesture from my husband. Even though I already have a present for my name day, and it's something that I told him that I want. It's a set for gel manicure to do at home, and I'm super excited. I will definitely show you how it works. Hopefully in my next video, probably next week, I will film how I basically do my gel nails at home. I have high hopes, and honestly I love doing all these beauty procedures myself because it brings me joy. I feel so nice, and I hate wasting time in beauty salons. I love getting my hair done and manicure from time to time, but I don't have the time to go every 2 weeks to the nail salon. However, it was a great shopping day. Mango here is pretty small store. Honestly, they didn't have that much. I made a few rounds in the store, and these were the items that I actually liked from their new collection. The trousers were super nice, a thin material that would be perfect for summer, but on me they feel a little too baggy. But they were high-waisted, and these super nice pleated details add so much to the outfit. They look very put together and very well fitted. I also liked the flower print blouse. Puffy sleeves are always very cute for spring, but hands down my favorite item was the jacket. I know it doesn't look like much on camera, but trust me, in person it's an amazing jacket. It's like this short trench. It had so many beautiful details and it looks very nice, very well made, and I think it looks way more expensive. It could easily be a designer item. It was not cheap, and it's already pretty warm. Blazer is more than enough for me to go outside. So I thought that I probably won't get to wear it anymore. And I don't know, I might be very sorry that I didn't get this jacket. So if you can, and if you live in not very warm climate, I highly recommend it. So the rest of the day won't be that exciting for me. I have some work to do, then I'll do the dinner, and hopefully we'll watch some Netflix. Or we have this TV series that we have to end. I think it's called The Serpent. It's a very good series. I recommend it if you haven't watched this. I will try to film a little bit of our evening to show you what we're doing. But for now, I think this will be it.
But you can't let go. What are you doing? You want things to go back to normal, like every day when you used to call, hit me up, yeah, just to talk, telling me I'm beautiful when I'm a mess and now laying low on a Tuesday night, milkshake or extra fries, cause you know I'll be eating yours when I run out of mine. But late